You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, good morning. I come here today to try to get his child support raised.
Okay.
We have one child, and I believe that he has some income that he's actually not reporting. We kind of try to make it work not too long ago, and when I was at his house, I found a bunch of pornographic movies.
What do you mean make it work?
We've been separated for a long time. Our son's 11.
Miss Smith walks into the courtroom with a serious purpose. She isn't only asking for financial help, she wants the judge to hear a hidden truth. She claims her ex has been secretly earning more than he admits and even discovered something disturbing at his house. What she reveals next shocks everyone listening.
We've been separated for a long time. Our son's 11.
Okay.
But we kind of got back together. And he has a bunch of like pornographic movies in his house.
I'm afraid you're going to stab yourself in the eye with that pen.
Sorry.
I just don't want you to do that.
He's the main character on the movies with all these different women. And he is saying that he's, that I can't be mad at him. It's not cheating if he's making porn. And some of them are in our bed. And I said, well, it doesn't work like that. You can't, just because you're filming doesn't mean it's not cheating. And I said, you have to be getting paid.
Just when it looked like their parenting situation was improving, she exposes something unbelievable. She says he isn't only watching adult videos, he actually performs in them, and some were recorded in their shared bed. When she confronts him, his shocking excuse leaves the judge stunned. Is this betrayal or a serious profession?
And I said, you have to be getting paid for it to actually be a and he said he was getting paid for them. And there's tons of them. So I feel like...
So you believe he's getting paid from that?
And plus, his business, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's almost close to 100,000, give or take, like maybe 10 to 15.
Okay.
So I feel like I get a measly $600 a month from him. I feel like
so
something's
that's how
not
much
right.
his child support is
Currently.
set at right now?
Yes.
Okay.
We went through mediation at the child support office.
Yeah.
So, but that was...
Interview 3. She claims he earns large amounts of money from his adult lifestyle while she struggles to support their son with only $600 a month. She believes he may be hiding almost $100,000 in earnings. She demands fairness, but the question remains, are her suspicions real, or is she missing solid evidence?
Office.
Yeah.
So, but that was, you know, he's...
How long ago was that?
He's 11, and I guess 9, 10 years ago.
Oh yeah,
he was little.
That has been a while. You've been way overdue for a modification for a number of reasons. So, about this income, is what she's saying true? Does it include that?
Well, it's payment in one way or another.
Is a yes or a no?
No, ma'am, I'm not getting paid technically.
So that means you're lying. And
So you're
cheating
doing it
on
for
me.
free? Well, you know what? Never mind. That's not my business. I'm sorry. That's not my business. So your business, where you do make the money, she's talking about the 100,000.
When asked directly if he earns money from these videos, he denies everything. He insists he films them for free, leaving the courtroom in disbelief. Even the judge pauses. If he isn't earning income, then what exactly is he hiding? And what is the truth behind his real financial situation?
You make the money, she's talking about the $100,000. Do you make $100,000?
No, ma'am, I have 85 to 90,000 on the high end on a good year.
Okay. All right. What is it that you do?
I'm a mechanic.
Mechanic. Okay. All right. So you said 90 on the high end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, is there any way that we could subpoena his financial records for the thing?
Well, you can. I'm not going to do a subpoena on anything like that. I don't want to see it. Yeah. You can do that though. Yeah. If it exists, you can.
She begs the court for a subpoena to uncover his hidden profits, but the judge refuses. Even she admits she doesn't want to see the explicit content. Now the responsibility falls on her alone. Can she gather real proof, Or will his alleged secret income remain buried and protected?
Yeah, you can do that though. Yeah, if it exists, you can do that, but subpoenas aren't free. So I hope you know exactly what it is that you're looking for.
Well, there's so many of them, and he told me that he's getting paid for them, and there's like thousands, not hundreds,
Okay.
thousands of DVDs with him in there on our bed.
I'll tell you what, once you find some sort of income, some paper trail that shows that, then if you were to bring it back in court, we could entertain it then. But as of today, unless you have some sort of proof that shows that he has income from that, and unless he tells me otherwise, I can't really.
She claims there are thousands of DVDs featuring him, with some filmed inside their own bedroom. The judge gives one clear rule: bring solid evidence or the case cannot continue. Now she must find real documents or recordings. Can she expose the truth, or will everything stay hidden forever?
Otherwise, I can't really go off of that. I can only go off of what he told me, and he said 90,000 on the high end. I think you're in pretty good shape. What do you do for a living?
I don't work. I take care of our kid.
So you're a stay-at-home mom?
Mm-hmm.
And she's 11?
He is.
He is
yeah.
11?
Uh-huh.
He goes to school?
He does.
So what do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work?
No.
So you're just living off of his child support?
I am. And we live with our mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home mom. He made the income.
Okay.
But, I mean...
But you can work now, right?
I can, but...
So it's no but you can...
When the judge asks about her income, she admits she does not work and doesn't plan to. She lives with her mother without paying rent and depends completely on child support. The judge is shocked, wondering whether she truly wants fairness or simply wants financial help without contributing herself.
So it's no but you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free, my food is free. I mean, my mom's a homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Okay. I'm not going to go there with you today because you can, obviously you're able to work.
I'm able, but I don't want to.
And you should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What we're going to do is talk about the modification of these numbers, all right? So your income has increased. It's increased about almost $400. So based on you saying that you receive about 90,000.
She openly says she could work but chooses not to. The judge challenges her choices, yet she stands firm. Meanwhile, the court reviews his actual earnings to determine accurate support. Will the updated numbers change their entire situation, or will the judge keep the order exactly as it stands?
You receive about 90,000 on the high end. It
Yes,
brings
ma'am.
your gross to about $7,500, which your net is $5,465.22. That would bring, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
And how much is that?
It's $110 a month.
Okay, 110. So what I'm going to do is give you credit actually for the health insurance coverage for the child. So that would slightly bring your child support down. And
Down?
monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support.
Calculates the new required payment. With insurance adjustments included, his responsibility becomes $1,093 each month. Her reaction says everything. But is this truly the outcome she hoped for, or is this only the start of a deeper conflict?
$33 a month is what he would pay in child support.
That's it?
That's it. Well, it would be more if you get a job.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Your Honor,
Ma'am, no.
You don't
no,
understand.
No, you don't understand. I'm basing his child support increase off of what it is that he makes. Nothing
He
more.
makes more than
nothing-
that.
Until you bring me something in here to show me that, that's what I'm going to base it off of.
Your Honor,
and again, you can work.
Can I say
suggest-
something?
No,
Please.
ma'am. Only thing I need you to say is, Miss Vonda B, I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want to hear. If it's anything else other than that, I'm not.
She argues that he should contribute even more, but the judge disagrees. He tells her she can work and must provide proof before demanding higher payments. When she tries to continue speaking, he stops her immediately. Her next comment surprises everyone and shifts the mood in the courtroom.
I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want to hear. If it's anything else other than that, I'm not entertaining it. Pertaining to what I just said, do you have any questions?
I will go look for a job. But please,
Great.
Please hear me out on one thing.
What is it? Make it quick.
I promise you I'll make it quick. Let's say that you have a battery-operated vibrator.
You know what? We're done right there. We're done. Is there anything further
You're
from
about
you,
to
sir?
climax.
Okay. Well,
The
ma'am-
batteries go out.
Okay, thanks.
That's him.
Okay, great. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You all are done, and if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Her closing statement shocks the entire room. She compares him to a battery-powered vibrator, leaving everyone speechless. The judge quickly ends the hearing. Beneath all the drama remains a serious question: who is truly protecting the child's future? For more unbelievable courtroom twists, like, comment, and subscribe.